Hello everybody, today let me recommend you one hot cell model, the CTCNC40C CNC turning machine from CTMACH factory. You can take a review for this machine from behind me. You can see, have a look. Okay, let me introduce, make a brief introduce of this CNC machine, the parameters. And first, this CNC machine installed the Siemens controller 808D model. Then let me turn our review into this machine. This machine chuck is with the hydraulic chuck, and the diameter is 250 millimeters, and it installed the 6 tolerant tool in this machine, and it's very easy for operation for many turning pieces. And also, this machine installed the hydraulic, the tire lock. This machine can make the precision for 1 meter length pieces, and the machine with the higher configuration as the standard model. Okay, let me take a review again.